Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Cheetah Beauty, premium Cheetah Beauty hair. All right, got everything in this drawstring bag. I got a bonnet, a Cheetah Beauty branded elastic headband. I got an information card. I got a pair of lashes, cute little scrunchie, this mesh cap. Also got an edge brush and comb, and finally, a gorgeous 28 inches long chocolate brown wig. So let's get into it. So this is today's wig. It's a number 4 chocolate brown Bodywave 6x6 lace closure wig. It's a virgin hair wig, guys. This is gorgeous. This is so soft. I don't know if you can tell. They made sure to brand it properly and thoroughly. They even give you directions on how to cleanse it. It's a mesh cap, so it's very breathable, and then the air portion is curved, so this is great for my beginners because this is a glueless vibe. Okay, there's a adjustable elastic band on the inside. For security, there is a total of 3 combs in the cap, well 4, and then the lace portion is pretty big to work with, so I love that. And you know, the curve here helps the cap to sit around your ear perfectly, so I love that. It's already everything pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-customized in every way, so this is perfect. All right, so this is looking real good. Oh my gosh, look at those waves that come straight out of the package. Oh wow, oh wow, yes, oh my god. All right, so you know, we need to just finesse the front a little bit. So from the looks of it, you guys know my thing. If I look in the front and I see that it's casty and that portion doesn't have any hair on it, you know I'm gonna remove it. Now we just need to style this. So I'm gonna go ahead, and as I said, it's a nice amount of space that you have working with because it's a 6x6, so feel free to go ahead and switch it up, give it a side part, you know. See that? You can stick with the center part, but you definitely have a bit of space working with, and it looks really good. So right off the bat, I know that I need to go in with my wax stick, and I'm gonna get this nice and laid. Yeah, I also feel like I want to give it some layers in the front, just so that, you know, everything looks more, you know, like that, girl. I'm gonna get my PS Lux hair wax stick, and I'm gonna get my hot comb, and you guys know the drill. Get this nice and flat. You see that just got super flat right away. One thing about it, a good wax stick and your hot comb is gonna get your wig looking very nice and laid. so I'm just gonna go ahead, run through this with my curling iron, just to, you know, get that very uniform body wave vibe. But it does look good with the waves that it came with. Like, look at that, stunning. But just to refine things a little bit more, I'm gonna go in and we can speed through this portion with me just like recurling it. So I'm all done with curling it up, you know. Look at those curls. So you see what I'm saying? I just wanted to give it this nice bouncy, big, voluminous, you know, wave vibe. And I really love the way it took the curls. So ooh, ew. And one thing I must let you guys know is that this is really full. This wig is really full, so I absolutely love that. That's how that looks. Oh my god, isn't that gorgeous? That is stunning. Absolutely love it. Cheetah Beauty, you definitely did your thing on this wig. Oh my god, it is giving. It is giving. I can't complain. It feels good. There is minimal shedding, all right, but the hair itself, I love the color. I feel like it's perfect for the season. Definitely perfect for the season. So I can't complain where that's concerned. It's very full, and I think you guys can see that, like, it's really full. So I mean, you know, sometimes you have those lengthy wigs but they're not as full as you'd like. Yeah, no, this is nice and full, so I love that. Let me know what you guys think. This is the perfect chocolate brown glueless closure wig. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. All the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.